This is a 1975 Harley Davidson Shovelhead FLH. It's kickstart and electric start. The motor turns over well, but we've got no spark. It's got electronic ignition, so I don't know what the problem is. It's just not sparking. It's got 14,400 miles on the clock. It's a project bike. The brakes aren't working, but we have selected the gears and the clutch is free. The lights work, the indicators work, well, one side of the indicators work. So it's a project. I mean, according to the New York State plate there, it was on the road in 2023, but looks like it's gone downhill in the last couple of years. Well, if you're interested, if it's for sale, it'll be on eBay.